Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos explode with millions of views, while others with better content barely crack 100? The answer isn't luck, talent, or expensive equipment. It's understanding the invisible force that controls everything on this platform. Today, I'm going to reveal the exact secrets that creators use to hack the YouTube algorithm and turn their channels into view-generating machines. What I'm about to share with you isn't some outdated advice from 2018. This is based on the latest algorithm updates, insider information from YouTube employees, and actual data from channels that have gone from 0 to millions of subscribers. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive blueprint to make the algorithm work for you, rather than against you. Let's start with the biggest misconception about YouTube. Most people think the algorithm is this mysterious evil force that randomly decides who succeeds. That's completely wrong. The YouTube algorithm is actually your best friend, but only if you speak its language. Think of it as a matchmaker trying to connect viewers with content they'll love. The better you help it do its job, the more it rewards you. The algorithm has one primary goal: keeping people on YouTube as long as possible. Every decision it makes, every video it recommends, and every notification it sends is designed to maximize watch time across the entire platform. This means that if your video can keep viewers engaged and lead them to watch more YouTube content, you become the algorithm's favorite. Here's where most creators get it wrong. They focus on getting views instead of earning them. Getting views means gaming the system with clickbait titles and misleading thumbnails. Earning views means creating content so valuable that the algorithm can't help but promote it. The difference between these two approaches determines whether you build a sustainable channel or watch your metrics crash after a few lucky videos. The algorithm evaluates your content through several key metrics, and understanding these is crucial. First is click-through rate, which measures how often people click on your video when they see it. A reasonable click-through rate indicates to the algorithm that your title and thumbnail combination are compelling. But here's the catch. If people click but don't watch, you're actually hurting your channel. This brings us to the most critical metric: average view duration. This isn't just about how long people watch your video, but also how much of it they actually consume. A 10-minute video where people watch 8 minutes performs better than a 5-minute video where people watch 3 minutes, even though the absolute watch time is lower. The algorithm interprets high retention as a signal that your content is exceptionally valuable. Session duration is the secret weapon that separates amateur creators from professionals. This measures how long people stay on YouTube after watching your video. If viewers watch your content and immediately leave the platform, the algorithm sees this as a negative signal. However, if they continue watching other videos, especially those from your channel, you've essentially become YouTube's marketing department. Comments, likes, and shares aren't just vanity metrics. They're engagement signals that tell the algorithm your content sparked genuine interest. But not all engagement is created equal. A comment that starts a conversation is worth more than a simple emoji. A like, combined with a watch time of over 50%, carries more weight than a like on a video someone abandoned after 30 seconds. The subscription metric is more complex than it may seem. Yes, subscribers are essential, but not for the reasons most people believe. Subscribers don't guarantee views anymore. What matters is how many of your subscribers actually watch your new content. This is known as the subscriber engagement rate, and it's a significant ranking factor. Now, let's discuss timing and consistency, two key elements that can make or break your channel. The algorithm prefers predictability because it facilitates distribution planning. When you upload content consistently, the algorithm knows when to expect it and can prepare to show it to your audience. This doesn't mean you need to upload daily, but whatever schedule you choose, stick to it religiously. The timing of your uploads should align with when your audience is most active. You can find this information in YouTube Analytics under the Audience tab. But here's a pro tip. Don't just look at when your audience is online. Look at when they're most likely to engage. Sometimes these two things are different, and engagement timing is more valuable for algorithmic performance. Keywords and SEO still matter, but not in the way most creators think they do. Stuffing your title and description with keywords actually hurts your performance. The algorithm is sophisticated enough to understand context and intent. Instead of focusing on exact keyword matches, focus on topics and semantic relevance. Use keywords naturally in your title, and make sure your content delivers on what the title promises. Your thumbnail is your movie poster, and it needs to work effectively, both as a small image in search results and as a larger image in suggested videos. The most successful thumbnails tell a story, create curiosity, or promise a specific outcome. They also maintain brand consistency while standing out from the competition. Test various thumbnail styles and analyze which ones yield the highest click-through rates. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial for algorithmic success. This is where you need to capture viewers' attention and give them a reason to keep watching. Start with the most interesting part of your content. Make a bold statement or pose a compelling question. Avoid lengthy introductions, logos, or subscribe reminders at the beginning. Get straight to delivering value. Chapter markers and timestamps aren't just helpful for viewers. They're signals to the algorithm about your content structure. They help the algorithm understand what your video covers and can lead to rich snippets in search results. They also improve user experience, which indirectly benefits your algorithmic performance. Community engagement extends beyond individual videos. Responding to comments, creating community posts, and engaging with your audience across different platform features sends positive signals to the algorithm. It shows you're an active creator who cares about your community, not someone who uploads and disappears. Cross-promotion and collaboration can supercharge your algorithmic performance. When you collaborate with other creators, you're essentially borrowing their audience and algorithmic authority. The algorithm sees this as a signal that you're part of the broader YouTube ecosystem, not an isolated creator. Playlists are an underutilized algorithmic weapon. They increase session duration by automatically playing related videos, which helps the algorithm understand your content themes. Create playlists centered on specific topics, incorporating a mix of your own videos and relevant content from other creators. The algorithm also considers your channel's overall health. This includes factors like upload consistency, audience retention across all videos, subscriber growth rate, and engagement patterns. A single viral video won't transform your channel if your other content doesn't meet algorithmic standards. Here's something most creators don't know. The algorithm has a memory. It remembers how your previous videos performed and uses this information to predict how your new videos will perform. This means every video you upload either helps or hurts your channel's algorithmic authority. There's no such thing as a neutral video in the algorithm's eyes. Quality control becomes crucial when you understand algorithmic memory. It's better to upload one great video per week than 3 mediocre videos. The algorithm prioritizes promoting creators who consistently deliver value over those who flood the platform with average content. Testing and iteration are essential for algorithmic success. The platform is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Successful creators treat their channels like laboratories, continually testing new formats, titles, thumbnails, and content styles to optimize their content. They let data guide their decisions rather than relying on gut feelings or trends. Analytics becomes your best friend when you're serious about algorithmic optimization. Look beyond surface-level metrics, such as views and subscribers. Dive deep into watch time patterns, traffic sources, and audience behavior. Understanding why certain videos perform better gives you a blueprint for future success. The algorithm rewards creators who truly understand their audience. This means knowing not just who watches your content, but why they watch it, what problems you solve for them, and what keeps them coming back. The more precisely you can serve your audience, the more the algorithm will reward you with expanded reach. Remember, the YouTube algorithm isn't your enemy. It's a tool designed to connect great content with appreciative audiences. The key is understanding its language and speaking it fluently. Focus on creating genuine value, maintain consistency, and let data guide your decisions. When you align your content strategy with the algorithm's objectives, you transform from someone fighting for views into someone the platform actively promotes. Your journey to algorithmic mastery starts now. Apply these insights systematically, and watch as your channel begins to work in sync with the algorithm instead of against it. The views, subscribers, and success you want are absolutely achievable when you understand the rules of the game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what's been your biggest struggle with the YouTube algorithm.